Good afternoon, this is Luke Robinson with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana with your planning briefing for Sunday, March 7th. To start off, thought we'd go over the weather threat matrix. And you'll see for Monday going into Tuesday morning, we have a few areas highlighted for some potential winter impacts, most notably for north central Idaho and southwest Montana. Monday morning for north central Idaho, Monday afternoon and evening, and Tuesday morning for southwest Montana. Those areas will have the potential for the more moderate impacts, while everywhere else we should see snow, but we're not really expecting it to be much of an impact on area roads. And then going throughout the rest of the week, we are watching another potential winter impact for Wednesday night going into Thursday. Right now, uncertainty is still a little elevated at this time, but we could be looking at a weak Canadian cold front sliding south out of Alberta, interacting with an overall northwesterly flow pattern, which could bring some breezy winds to northwest Montana and southwest Montana with the addition of some snowfall. More to come on that later. So this is our current satellite image as of this afternoon, and the area that I wanted to key in on for our first winter impact for tomorrow and Tuesday morning is the low pressure system over the northwestern Pacific. This will be sliding south and east during the evening hours and overnight tonight, and it will bring widespread light, sometimes moderate snowfall to north central Idaho and mostly southwest Montana and west central Montana. This is our expected snowfall. Some isolated areas could see slightly more than this, particularly over in north central Idaho in the higher terrain, and possibly down in southwest Montana. But generally, overall speaking, this is what we can expect over the next 24 to 36 hours. This is our snow probabilities for areas receiving 1 inch or greater. And as you can see, the mountains across north central Idaho and west central and southwest Montana have the highest probability of seeing that 1 inch or greater, while some of the valleys will see snow. It just depends on the time of day that we get the heavier snow showers that move over the area. Due to the higher sun angle during this time of the year, the chances for it becoming much of an impact in the valleys is low for this particular storm system. But there is that chance that some of the valleys in west central Montana and north central Idaho could see accumulating snow, particularly in the morning for north central Idaho, and in the afternoon and evening over in west central Montana. This is the probabilities for 2 inches or more. And again, we're really going to be highlighting the mountains and the mountain passes across the region. Very small chances for 2 inches or greater in the valleys, with the exception of maybe Scilly Lake in the Swan area. This is just a snapshot. I do have a few of these slides. I'm going to probably go through them pretty quickly, but you can pause it and get a better idea for your local area. But Grangeville at 3,400 feet, you're really going to have that best chance to see accumulating snowfall tomorrow morning. And then once we get into later in the afternoon, some of the elevated surfaces or in the grassy areas could still accumulate snowfall, but the roads should start to improve in the afternoon, again with that higher sun angle helping it to melt on the roadways. Whitebird Hill, you're probably going to keep seeing the accumulating snowfall a little bit longer, and again with the more moderate intensities likely being tomorrow morning. Lolo Pass, you have chances of seeing snow throughout the day going through Tuesday morning, and could see a little bit more than this. This is just a general hours. And then Lost Trail Pass, Same story. All the mountain passes are going to be able to see the accumulating snowfall on area roads during this time frame. And Georgetown Lake, much the same story. Then Homestake Pass. Now, Homestake Pass, your moderate impacts are likely going to be in the late afternoon, early evening time frame tomorrow, and then again on Tuesday morning. So looking ahead through the rest of the week, as I mentioned, once we get into the Wednesday and Thursday time period, our confidence is not very high right now, but we could be looking at another widespread winter impact. But it's not expected to be a high impact, but we could see widespread light to moderate snowfall for all elevations, particularly in western Montana. Looking at our 6 to 10 day outlook, we're expecting below normal for precipitation and right around normal to slightly below normal for our temperatures. That concludes today's briefing. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you and have a good day.